Hang loose. No, that's the woman you.
That's them.
No, that's the woman that was up there on the porch with you. I promise you.
You ain't gonna protect me.
I am, man. I am.
No, officer.
Yes.
He's behind you right now in this truck.
No, sir. Just
I
chill.
swear to God, right there.
There's
That's
nobody.
him.
Purchasers of male, who's half naked, screaming coughing, been shot. No black light skin, black hoodie, no jeans. No 43 furs.
Shots fired.
Haven't got anything.
That's a precinct en route. I'll get the marking on there.
Copy.
.93, what's the guy wearing? .93, sorry, he's wearing a blue or black hoodie.
Did you guys call? Did he look like he was injured?
He was like a crackhead. I wish my dog.
Well, someone called in a shooting. Somebody called it in as a shooting. What house did he go into? On that.
He said somebody was going to kill him or something.
All right. Hey Jeff, he's on the other side of the street up the road.
Appears to be a mental issue. We can't find any blood.
Got shot.
And he just showed up. We don't know. He just showed up.
Oh my God, dumbass.
Let go of her. Let go of her.
Help me.
Walk away. Walk away.
Help me, officer.
What's wrong,
He's
bud?
getting ready to shoot me.
Who is?
My friend.
Don't grab me. Stay there. Are you been
Oh,
shot?
God.
Have you been shot?
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah, let me in the car.
Where you been shot at?
Let me in the car.
What's
Please,
up, bud?
God.
What's your name, bud?
Yeah, we got a few calls.
You guys know him? Okay.
Oh, God.
Oh, I know him.
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah, let me in the car.
Where you been shot at?
Let me in the car.
What's
Please,
up, bud?
God.
Give us your name, bud.
Joel Terrell.
Okay.
Help.
Okay. Do me a favor. Let's go ahead and stand up. Let's get off these people.
I'm scared.
Okay, well, you're with the police now.
No, please. Oh, shit.
Jarrell, right?
No help.
Okay, we're helping you.
He's dangerous. Help me.
You don't have any weapons or anything on you.
Help. Right.
Who's dangerous?
Oh, my God.
Alright. Hey, buddy, listen, you're scaring these people. Let's
Okay,
go
come on, help.
Let's go ahead and
He's
sit
going to shoot.
No one's going to shoot you.
No, you're good.
Sit on your butt.
Look,
Officer.
we're okay.
Officer.
You're okay. You're okay, man.
No.
Let's walk over here.
Officer.
You're okay, man.
Officer. Help, Joe. Joe, you're good. Help me.
You're all right, bud.
Oh, God.
You're all right.
No, I'm not.
We got you.
No. No.
Yes,
Help.
we got you.
Oh, my God. He's right there.
We'll keep you safe in
He's
the
right
car.
there.
No.
Help! Help me, hurry!
Look, I'll block.
Oh shit!
I'm blocking.
Hurry.
I'm blocking. I'm blocking.
Hurry, officer! Here he comes!
Hop in.
Help! Help!
Hop in.
Officer!
Put your legs
He's
in.
right behind you.
Put your legs in.
You, you aired that it's
Help me.
49A.
Come on, man, hurry!
Where you live at? Do you know?
Yeah, hurry now!
All right.
Get me out of here!
Where do you live at?
Officer! 78, please go! Please!
Buddy, it's okay.
No, it's not! Help! Officer, I can't take it. You're going to shoot y'all. Swear to God. Look out.
I promise
He's going to
you.
shoot through the store.
Listen, I promise you, no one's gonna shoot me.
Help me.
I will protect you. I promise you.
Officer,
See if you can sneak a silk screen.
let's go.
Okay, I promise
Go!
you nothing's gonna happen to you.
Go! Oh, God, officer.
What's your first name?
Joel!
Joel. I
Help!
promise you, I will
Oh,
protect
no.
you.
Oh, shit.
I promise you,
Officer.
buddy.
Help! Oh, my God. Come on. Please, officer.
I promise you, I'll protect
Officer, I'm begging you. Go! Oh, shit. You don't know him. Officer! Officer, please.
you. Joel, I'm right here protecting you,
Officer,
okay?
you're not going to take.
I've got
Get
two
outta
officers
here.
here.
5053.
Yeah, go!
Yes.
Go! Holy shit! Oh, God! Help me. Officer, please go.
Yep.
Go! Officer, go!
We are going to.
Officer, there's 5 of them. Go!
Joel, what did you
Go! Go!
You're good to go. We've got it, okay?
Officer, go!
Just stay right there. You're fine.
Officer, how many times I gotta tell you?
Just stay right
He's
there.
go. Officer, he's dangerous!
I've got officers everywhere.
Where?
They're all around us.
Right now?
Yes, sir.
Help me! Officer, please!
Well, they would have sent us regardless.
Oh, officer, go! Go!
There is no.
Yes, it is!
Hang loose. No, that's the woman you.
That's them!
No, that's the woman that was up there on
He
the
said
porch
that-
with you. I promise you,
You ain't
Joel.
gonna protect me!
I am, man. I am. I am.
Go, officer!
Yes.
He's behind you right now in this
No,
truck.
sir. Just
I
chill.
swear to God, right there!
There's
That's
nobody you're
him.
gonna protect. I'm
That's
gonna
him.
protect you. You me shut the
Officer!
door. You me shut the
Look
door.
out!
I'm gonna shut the door.
Fuck! Go! Officer, that's him in the car! Go! Officer!
Are you okay?
Help! Officer! That's him in
Hey,
the car!
don't do that.
Help!
Joel.
Officer!
But that, he was yelling and I could hear him in the back of my house.
Sure.
And I came out, I'm like, help me, help me. What do you need help for? What's going on? It's daytime. And then he just kept crawling up my leg and wanting in my house.
Yeah, he's just really
He's a
scared.
schizophrenic.
Yeah.
And I'm like, my sister is mental health social worker in another state. So I
Okay.
knew what I'm seeing.
Sure.
And my brother-in-law runs mental health here. I'm just like, I don't know if I should call the police or if I should call a squad.
You just never know. Hey, Joel.
No!
Remember me?
No.
Officer Kane? Listen.
No!
Listen, buddy. Listen. Joel. Stay in the car. Joel.
Oh shit, there he is! Oh!
Stay in the car.
Miss!
buddy.
Relax.
He's right there!
I got medics coming.
No!
The medics are coming to
Fuck
check you out,
that.
okay?
You don't want
Fuck.
to go to a medic?
No help!
What do you want to do?
Please, I'm sorry!
We're going to take you
I swear!
Relax, okay?
Please!
You gotta
Oh
relax.
God!
Joel.
Help!
Chill out, bud. I got you.
Mama!
I got you, Joel.
Help!
Relax.
Help
Chill
me!
out, okay? We're
I'm
trying to
sorry!
help you.
I'm so sorry!
Hey, Joel.
Help!
Hey, Joel.
Officer!
Hey, Joel.
Oh my God!
Look at me, buddy.
Oh,
Joel.
please God!
Joel.
My kids!
Yeah, just,
Joel.
hey.
Oh!
Hey, bud. Hey, hold on, bud.
No! Oh!
Hold on, bud.
Please, Mama!
You're all right.
No!
You're okay, bro.
Oh! Help!
You're okay.
Help!
Joel.
No!
Let's get you some help.
Oh
Let's get you some-
God!
Let's make you safe.
Oh!
Let's make you
Oh!
safe.
I'm sorry!
Let's make you safe,
Please!
bud.
Hold a minute.
Officer!
Hold a second. It's okay. Hey.
No!
Joel,
No!
Let's try to look at
I'm
it.
sorry!
Whoa. Get those.
Please don't!
It's okay.
Officer!
You gotta relax, okay?
Joel!
We might have
Medics
to
are
go.
gonna help you. We don't want you to smack your head on the concrete,
God.
okay?
Watch your head,
Oh!
bud.
Please!
It's okay, I'm trying to
No.
come to me for help.
No!
Hey, dear.
Did you not come to me for help?
You know if he does drugs or what?
No!
Come here.
No!
You came to me for help. I got these nice people to
We'll
help.
just
Oh
secure
God!
So do me the favor
Oh,
and go to them.
We're going to put him in handcuffs. Okay.
She doesn't know him.
Oh God!
Stop, let go of your hand.
No! Oh my God! Oh shit! Oh, Mama! Oh God! Oh,
Relax, okay?
please!
We're just trying to help you.
Oh my God! Mama, no! Oh God! No! No more! No! Oh God! Please! Oh shit, more! Oh!
You gotta stop moving, okay?
Oh! Oh, Mama! No! 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 Oh God, no!
Which way is it?
Heads this way.
Oh! Oh my God!
We're trying to help you, okay?
I love you.
We
Please,
love you too, buddy.
please.
Alright.
Oh my God. Mom, no.
Bro, it's okay. Hey, listen. It's okay.
Oh God.
It's okay.
My kids.
It's okay.
Oh.
We got you taken care
Oh,
of.
Mama. Please.
We've got everything.
Oh
I
shit.
don't know. It's
Help.
information.
Help me, Mom. Oh no. Oh shit. More. More.
It's okay, bro.
You know, I have run into him before because he argued with me about his name.
More. No.
J-O-E-L.
Oh shit, no.
T-E-R-R-E-L-L. That's his social up there.
Okay.
Oh God.
Did he tell you that?
He did.
Oh, that's pretty good.
It's a miracle.
Did
It's a
Did he
5-3,
start kind of wigging out afterwards? Or?
No, he wigged out way before we got here. I was trying to, I couldn't
Oh
understand.
God.
Yeah, we had a bunch of cars running up and down the street. Screaming for help.
Okay.
And then it got modified to a shooting.
Oh God.
He thinks people are chasing him to shoot him.
I let him know because I
The
thought
911
he was
call
coming
just
to the
died.
side of my house. But he's like,
Fuck.
Once she might ride with you, he's gonna follow you.
Oh no.
Where you guys going?
Ah.
Doctors? You got it, bud? Yeah, we got it. Thank you.
Appreciate it, guys.
Hey, you got his info? Yeah, I gave it to them. Here's a social.
Yeah, I thought just give the social.
Well, we got all